So let's take a trip into the wild world of machine learning. I have version 1.3.0 set up for the Portenta. And there's TensorflowLite. Hello world is their basic starter one. And you'll notice you have a ton of tabs here. So you've got hello world, you've got constants, you got main, you got output handler, you got constants H, main H, CPP, there's your model. Let's just take, oh, why didn't that go to, let's take a quick look at the model. Why is that? Oh, maybe it is going to the model. Yeah, there's your model. It's kind of the equivalent binary file. At the end, it has a little identifier of its length. But let's just see if it works. I've got my Portenta set up to the main core, and it's breathing green. So let's see if it works. I'm going to pause because this does take a while. Okay, so it's starting to link together, which typically is a good thing. And it's in DFU mode. And, oh, that was a bit of a waste. Should be reasonably quick. Okay. It's uploading to the 8040. And I'm getting panic. So that's a nice segue to, let's try something different. On my site, I have a folder called TensorFlow and my own version of the Hello World. And typically we go to raw to copy these. That's quite a big file because what I've done is thrown all those tabs into one file. And paste it here. Just double check this time I'm on the right port. Looks good. I'm in the right core. And let's send that one to it. Okay, here we go. See if we have the same kind of negative thing. It's uploading. And oops, better open that up. And it's breathing green. So let's check whether we've got to, we're on COM13 now. And instead of the serial monitor just going to give us a bunch of numbers, let's look at this. So we're getting a nice sine wave. Not really sure why TensorFlow didn't work. Possibly the new version 1.3.0 has done something to it, or my code is mainly made for the Portenta. So at least my code's working. And going through this, all I've really done is put everything together without the tabs. The tabs go along here. And there's huge arguments for using the tabs. But the nice thing about not using the tabs, putting everything in one file, is it's one file that you get to upload. And I could make a library, but it's so easy for libraries to get deprecated. All my work could be deprecated in a minute. Anyway, we're calling the TensorFlowLite library. And this is the interesting part that TensorFlow doesn't have, is I have some if defines for the different type of boards. And this one I may change because that was the old Nano 33 BLE. I might move it up here. I got to test that out. But basically, different types of panic debug serial printing is needed. And then I've just split things up into making it a little bit easier at the bottom of the screen, looking more like a mixture of Arduino and machine learning, where we're doing some kind of a prediction and then checking the prediction to see. Actually, this is really built on the TensorFlow one. I'll talk about my way of doing it on the next video. I think this is done.